Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below in the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also make sure to go down in the description and sign up for Blofin. They're offering some big sign up and competition bonuses in the description below, so go get involved with that, along with the other links. Loads of free money and opportunities on the table, so go in the description and sign up below to everything. Also, finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the link as well, and we can get you hooked up with one of those. As I've said in my previous videos, throughout this bear market period, as you can see, I've just been accumulating cryptos just like Vechain in their bear market range. Ever since 2022, really, about halfway through 2022, I've been averaging into the markets every month with profits on a lot of these cryptos. And right now I've got a very sizable bag of Vechain, sitting probably at about break even, to be honest, in terms of the average price after just buying in continuously here. Sitting on a spot bag about break even and waiting for a big move in the upside for basically the entire market, because let's be honest, the altcoin market for the most part is basically back to square one at the minute, apart from a select few cryptos. Really not that many cryptos have actually made a full tasty move to the upside, apart from, like I said, a few Injective, for example, which already made their moves early in this bull market cycle. Right now, altcoins in general are still just smashed down from the recent Bitcoin chopping sideways at all-time high action that we have seen. You can see on the charts here, obviously we had this really clean range for the bear market: resistance, support, resistance, support, support. Come up to resistance, back test the 0.23, just like so many cryptos did. This is such a common pattern that you've seen on the charts recently, for me at least, where we basically just came through, broke out, back tested the 0.23, got a continuation, and then ground to the downside in this local area of the past 3, 4, 5, 6 months because of Bitcoin chopping sideways. You can see this grind to the downside. We obviously had that big fall. We've come back up to test resistance again. We've come down again to retest, and now a lot of cryptos forming this potential W double bottom pattern in the local area. You can see Vechain has a wider W double bottom pattern as well that could come to fruition. But right now, obviously, a few bearish candles for Bitcoin in a row for days. And you can see that we have had a retracement in the market for every single altcoin. Obviously, when Bitcoin drops, every single altcoin does get highly correlated to what Bitcoin does. And you can see here for Vechain, in this local area, we're coming down now to potentially retest this previous area of resistance as support. Hopefully we get something like this, where we get the breakout of the downtrend structure, back test, and then a higher high, higher low, and continue to reverse this downtrend. But you can see here we do need to see this 0.23 at 2.7 cents being tested. Overall, I do think Vechain is primed and ready, just like a lot of cryptos, in a potential descending wedge pattern, as you can see here, looking like they do want to be starting to move to the upside. You could argue that maybe the pattern is something like this as well. Obviously, it remains to be seen, but overall, I would say pretty much every single crypto that I'm looking at right now is just getting that break, descending wedge, back test into their bear market range before the pump, in my opinion. As we can see here, we haven't seen anything yet, so let's see what we can do. Like and subscribe for more.